Good morning, class 5. Welcome to our mathematics lesson today. Now, remember we started discussing about mass, and we said that mass is how heavy something or an object is. And we discussed conversion of kilograms to grams when you have been given a whole number. And we also discussed conversion of kilograms to grams when you have been given a fraction. Right now, I want us to discuss conversion of kilograms to grams when you have been given a decimal number. So, we have this question. Convert the following to grams. So let us look at our first example. We have an example here whereby we have been given 3.5 kilograms to convert them to grams, or to change 3.5 kilograms to grams. So here you are supposed to remember that 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 grams. So we shall say 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 grams. So what will you do so that you convert or change 3.5 kilograms to grams? You shall take 3.5 kilograms multiplied by 1000 grams. So here it will be 3.5 kilograms multiplied by 1000 grams divided by 1 kilogram, because here we want to remain with grams only. So kilogram and kilogram cancels. Then we remain with 3.5 multiplied by 1000 grams over 1. So what is 3.5 multiplied by 1000? Here what you need to do is you change 3.5 into a fraction. How will we change 3.5 into a fraction? We count the place values of the decimal points. So how many decimal points? How many decimal places do we have here? 1. What is the place value of 5 in this number? It is 10. So 3.5 converted into a fraction, it will be 35 all over 10, because it has one decimal place. It has one decimal place. And the decimal place here is 10. So it will be 35 over 10 multiplied by 1000 grams. Here 0 and 0 will cancel, so that you remain with 35 multiplied by 100. What is 35 multiplied by 100? This one will give us 3500 grams. So it will be 3500 grams. Let us look at our next example. So our next example, we have this question. You have been given, let's say 45.25 kilograms. 45.25 kilograms. You work it the same way we have worked out the first question. So you shall say 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 grams. Then you will say 45.25 kilograms multiplied by 1000 grams divided by 1 kilogram. So kilogram with kilogram will cancel, so that we remain with 45.25 multiplied by 1000 grams divided by 1. As I said when I was explaining the first question, I said that you change this decimal number into a fraction, then you multiply it by 1000. So remember here we have two decimal places or two decimal points, the tenth and the hundredth. So 45.25 changed into a fraction will now be 4,525 over 100 multiplied by 1000 grams. So these two zeros will cancel with these two zeros. Then you remain with 4,525 multiplied by 10 grams. Multiplied by 10 grams. What will it give us when you multiply this one? So it will be 45,250 grams. So our final answer now becomes 45,250 grams. 250 grams. So that is how you convert kilograms to grams when given a decimal number. The most important thing is to remember how to change these decimal numbers to fractions. Like I said, you look at the decimal places. You look at the decimal places. How many decimal places does the decimal number have? In the first question, we have one decimal place, and in the next question, we have two decimal places. Remember also how we name the decimal places in decimal, the place values in decimal numbers. So this is how we convert kilograms to grams when given decimal numbers. Thank you, and let us meet in our next lesson.